Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2021 Nissan Kicks, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to take off your front driver's side door panel. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the door, and what we have to do, we have to get a screwdriver and remove this cover here. We're gonna just put the screwdriver in and open it, and open this lid right here, and also get out this clip. I'll show you. Alright, so what I'm doing here, you could actually use just regular flathead screwdriver. I would just put some tape on it so I don't scratch plastics, because they're very brittle. Because over here I see already somebody was here and scratched. So just remove this tab, whatever that is, this thing, just drop it on the floor. Remove this thing here. You're gonna use two hands, okay, because most likely you're just gonna have to pull with one hand. Like this. Just carefully, little by little, you're just gonna come out like this, simple. And over here we have a clip, so we're just gonna put the screwdriver in here and just wiggle it a little bit, get this clip out like this. Yeah, now this is gonna be 10 millimeters, so we're gonna have to get 10 millimeter socket with the ratchet. Okay, so just grab 10 millimeter socket and get this bolt out. Next step, you're gonna have to get T20 star like this screwdriver and get this screw out. Next thing, same screwdriver. Let's get this, so this piece should come off. So I'm gonna put screwdriver in here a little bit and carefully. Doesn't want to go, so I'll have to use two hands actually. I'm gonna put you guys here maybe. Like this. Doesn't want to go, just wiggle it a little bit. It will go eventually. Alright, so here we're gonna disconnect the connectors. Okay, so how do we disconnect the connector? There's just middle pin, just press on it and it should come out. Same thing here. Alright, set this aside. Okay, wires. Now next thing, here we have 10 millimeter screw. Let's get it out with our ratchet and socket. Okay, so I got the screw out. Next thing, over here we have this cover plastic. Just unclip it carefully. That's it. You just leave it like this. Actually, also just take it off. Just same way. Put this pin here, and it's very hard to do with one hand. So just press middle piece here, middle tab, and disconnect the connector. Alright, at this point we just have to be able to unclick the door from the panel from the door. So right now it's being held down by clips around the perimeter. So we're just gonna start from the bottom. Now we're here. Okay, over here. Just grab here and little by little, like this, unclip panel. As I said, somebody was here before me. I feel it, and that's why it comes really easy off. In my case, here it is. So, okay, as you can see, yeah, somebody was here. This is all ripped off. Now, how do we remove our handle? Okay, this is locked. Just gonna Alright, so how do we disconnect handle? Just gonna this, inch, and this, like this. Very simple. And that's it. Our panel is off. All right, guys. So once we're done here, putting back everything is pretty easy. So we're gonna start doing reverse, same reverse exact procedure. So handle, ball goes in, and like this. Oops, not like this, like this. This thing goes in here, and like this. Okay, hope you could see that. Again, sometimes you know what's gonna happen, might happen. These clips might, you have to have all clips around, okay? If the clip stayed inside somewhere, okay, it could have stayed inside, then just get it out, put it in panel, and then put it back in. All right, so let's put this back in. So we're gonna put the top on first. Over here. Sorry, this. And get this thing out here, connector. Okay, so once we have the top on, you see top on, good. Just slide it down. And here, just look for clips, they should be aligned. Now, this we have, this we have. We don't want to lose anything before we finish. Yeah, so now just tap on. So now we're just clicking clips back in place. Okay. Just want to make sure. Let's make sure our door works. Okay. So now, why does it sound like this? Okay. Next thing. Okay, next thing, just gonna put the screw back in here and put clip back in here. So let's start with that. Okay, also the clip, make sure there's a gap between two pieces. Put it in and then just tap on the middle piece. That's it, now it's gonna hold. Again, 10mm bolt goes in here. Next step, this piece, connect it. And put it back, clip it back in place. Okay, so, okay, like this. Next thing is the handle, or the switches. So just 3 connectors. How to put in connectors? Just plug it in. Like this, super simple. 1, 2, and another one right here. 3. Is it on? It's on. Okay. Then we just clip this thing back in. Mercedes. Okay. Next thing, this goes in. Again, you're gonna try to put this in first and then okay, now it's in, clicked, good. Then the last part, oh no, we have to do, see what I left off. Where's our, okay, here's our T20 screw, and we're gonna put it in this hole and tighten it up. Once we did that, just put the cover on and you're gonna be all set. Okay guys, this is it. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye bye.